What's up guys, Steve here again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. Here is the Cen Reeper Toyan L400 build, and I figured out what was wrong with the engine thanks to Dennis Double Deuce. I believe it was a fuel problem. Now you get this 4-into-1 inlet, and the one at the bottom here was so small it wasn't letting enough fuel in. The way I figured it out is I plugged it all up, put fuel in there, and I had to blow like the primer. I had to keep blowing into the carburetor or into the fuel line, forcing fuel in there to get it started. Once I stopped blowing, it stopped. So I thought, must be the line, and it was kind of blocked a little one. So I'm getting another one of these, and also a couple more 2-into-1s to see if I can get that going. But waiting on that. Had to get a new camshaft as well. That was all in. Everything's buttoned up. I got the radiator hooked up. Just got one bracket in here because I need to change the bracket because it's hitting one of the little bolts in there. Apart from that, it's all good. It works, it all flows through. I temporarily mounted it up here just to get out of the way. It's probably going to go back a little bit further because the wheel will probably hit it. Now I've done some cleaning up while I'm waiting for parts still. I put the this thing here is the igniter for the 4 glow plugs. I put that on the side of the chassis. It looks low because the tyres are not going to sit much higher. That's there. Also put a on and off for the brushed starter system, and on that, anyone know how to electronically switch it, like, because it's only brush? Can I do it some other way? I do have some of those Turnigy electronic switches, but I'm not too sure how they work. But that's it. Let me know if you know. So that's going down there. Everything's here nicely. The batteries will go here for the starter and for the igniters. I can easily just start it like that, no problem whatsoever. We also got around to fitting a servo, first servo for the forward and reverse, third and reverse. So up there is in third, that'll be neutral obviously. I make this a 3-position switch and it goes all the way there, that'll be in reverse. That's it. So it'll be, third, neutral, reverse. And this one here, this long rod here, that's what she said. This long rod here, that's first, neutral, second, neutral, third, neutral, reverse. So every time you want to change, it's going to be like a 3-position switch. So it'll be first, middle, bang, 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 like that. You get the idea. It should work pretty good. Flip it around. Saw this last time. Fuel tank's just mocked up here just to get it out of the way. Just want to try to do some house cleaning here because it was getting a little bit messy. Mounted the receiver up here. That can change, but at least it's all out of the way. The next servo I need to mount will be one around here for the linkage for this guy. That's it. I'm still waiting, so I'm also waiting on FlySky to send me an 8-channel receiver so I can use that, and if necessary I could do the old school way like I did with the Defender and put a little servo here to push that button. Kind of old school, but it works well as well, so that's why I need an 8-channel receiver. As it stands, it's 2 for throttle, brake, steering, first and second, and reverse and third. So that's 5 already, so 4 is out of the question. But that is it, quick update. Just want to leave you guys hanging because I know a lot of you guys really enjoy this. Thanks to Dennis for one of his videos. He had that up on one of his problems, so I figured out that probably was mine as well. Apart from that, this is the other setup. I've got a couple of these because look at the size diameter, the internal diameter of that opening. They're massive, whereas to these ones, they're not as big. So that's something to take note of. Or especially the one that was down here in the middle, feeding them all, that was the smallest. But it is what it is. Any questions, leave them down below. Hope you liked the video. Quick one. See you in the next video, guys. And also, if anyone knows how to do like a remote switching on a controller, let me know for a brush setup, or even if you know how to use those Turnigy electronic switches. Cheers, guys.